Boost your advanced English and holiday mood. 4 advanced words plus idiom. With examples and short stories. At the end, a short story with all the words. Now let's look at the words one by one. Serenity. A state of being calm, peaceful, and untroubled by stress or worry. Synonyms: calmness, peacefulness, tranquility. Mini story with the word.
The house was still dark, and the fire had burned down to glowing embers. Sarah sat by the tree, soaking in the serenity before her children woke up. These precious few minutes of stillness were her favorite part of the holiday.
Christmas Eve brought unexpected serenity to their noisy family. Deep serenity filled the room as candles flickered softly at night. Serenity enveloped her as she watched snow fall gently outside.
Reflect. To think carefully and deeply about something, or to show or express the nature of something. Synonyms: mirror, contemplate, ponder.
Instead of partying loudly, Marcus chose to reflect on the past year quietly. His balcony overlooked the city as fireworks painted the sky brilliantly. In this silence, he finally heard his own thoughts, which usually drowned in the roar of others.
The calm water perfectly reflected the mountains and blue sky. She wanted to reflect on the challenges that had made her stronger. His achievements reflect years of hard work and determination.
Tranquil. Free from disturbance, stress, or agitation. Peacefully calm and quiet. Synonyms: peaceful, calm, still.
David walked through the tranquil village, listening to the crunch of snow. Every window glowed with warm candlelight, signaling a night of rest and holy celebration. After a long year of searching, he felt like he could finally stop running.
She preferred tranquil evenings at home over crowded social events. The city remained tranquil, despite the approaching holidays. I truly love the tranquil atmosphere of the woods in winter.
Seamlessly. In a smooth, continuous way without any problems, interruptions, or visible transitions. Synonyms: smoothly, effortlessly, flawlessly.
Maria's biggest lesson this year was accepting imperfection gracefully. Not everything flows seamlessly. Some transitions require awkward stumbling first. She gradually learned to embrace the messy side of improvement.
She balanced work and family life almost seamlessly this year. The team worked seamlessly, despite being in different cities. May the new year begin seamlessly, like a gentle page turning.
On the right track. Acting in a way that will likely lead to success or the correct outcome. Synonyms: heading in the right direction, making progress.
Their spontaneous Christmas road trip initially seemed chaotic and poorly planned. But laughter, bonding, and unexpected discoveries proved they were on the right track. Sometimes the journey matters more than the destination.
Keep working hard. You're definitely on the right track here. She finally felt confident that her life was on the right track. Trust the process. You're on the right track toward your goals.
Short story using all today's vocabulary. Lena spent the last days of December on a tranquil train journey she had always dreamed about. Watching the scenery outside seamlessly shift, she reflected on how her life had changed over the past year. A deep sense of serenity enveloped her, and she felt she was finally on the right track.
Today, we've learned serenity, reflect, tranquil, seamlessly, on the right track.
You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe, and may your holidays be happy.